I want your face to be as attractive as possible. I want you to look as good as possible. But if you keep making these mistakes on a daily basis, you're destroying your handsomeness. Let me show you. Number 1. Rubbing yourself dry. Again, this seems like an intuitive process, right? You step out the shower, you grab your towel, you start scraping yourself down and rubbing yourself dry. Seems intuitive. You need to be patting yourself. See, not only does the towel have excessive amount of texture, when you start rubbing your skin, especially your face, you need to understand the skin on your face is the most delicate on anywhere else in your body, especially the area right under your eyes. When you do that, you're causing these micro abrasions that causes these micro tears on your skin. You can't see them, you can't feel them, but they're there, and microorganisms can get in, and that's where the irritation and the acne starts building up. 2, not washing your face before you go to bed. It's disgusting. It's hygienic. Not only are you bringing in all that bacteria to your bed, you got to think about it. You sweat all day long. You produce oils all day long. Your dead skin cells are sitting on your face. The dirt from the environment is sitting on your face, and you're letting that sit 10 nights overnight and sleeping with it. It's the worst thing you can do for your skin, because the next day when you wake up, you're gonna pay for it. The irritation, the acne buildup, the way your skin's gonna look dull and almost dried out. Those are all causes from leaving all that muck on your face. This is why I love Geology. See, with our sponsor Geology, I don't have to worry about buying a face wash and a moisturizer and this and that. Bro, we as men, we're practical, right? I want to look good, but I don't want to have to spend 10 hours in Sephora. With Geology, you get what you need delivered to your door, so you're always good to go. Every night, you can wash your face. Every night, you can put on your night serum, and every morning, you can put on your face cream. See, they send everything that you need, and not only that, they make sure it's for your skin type, because that's key. See, a lot of other companies will give you cookie cutter systems because most men don't know that you need certain products for different skin types. Not Geology. With Geology, you get to talk to a skin professional that looks at your skin type, and your skin problems, and then they design a kit specifically for those problems, and you get a custom kit delivered every time you need it. Bro, if you guys want to take care of your skin properly, you gotta do it with Geology, and especially because it's so affordable. Yo, right now they're running an offer. If you guys click the link down below, you're gonna get the first month. You're gonna get that consultation with the professional. You're gonna get that custom system delivered to your door at 70% off. That's 70, bro. It's basically free. This is a gift at this point. And if you've ever wanted a high quality system, you gotta try out Geology's. If you guys want to check it out, click that link down below. Number 3, you have too much testosterone. Look, I get it, bro. You're a beast. You're the man. But the problem is that all that test, it's also messing up with your face, because it messes up not only with the hormone imbalances that cause acne, it's also messing up with your hair loss. See, a lot of guys don't understand why they lose hair so early and why girls don't deal with it. The reason is because our testosterone produces a byproduct called DHT. DHT ends up blocking your hair follicles, and in some cases just neutralizing it. That's where you start getting that hair loss. In other words, the more tests you produce, the higher the chances you have of losing your hair and getting that receding hairline. The good part is there are DHT blockers. There's certain things you can do, like using a derma roll or using certain products that block that DHT production to make sure you keep your full head of hair, which what I'm telling you is when you see those early signs, take action, because the earlier you start, the more hair you keep and the better you'll look. 4, you lack sleep. Bro, when you sleep, that's when you look the best. See, every time you go to sleep, you're allowing your skin to rejuvenate. What you don't understand is that when you don't sleep enough, that's why the next day you got the bags under your eyes. That's why your skin looks dull. It looks almost dried out, like sucked in. Sleeping your 7, your 8 hours every night will be a fast track way to getting the skin in the face that you're looking for. Number 5, you wash your face with hot water. Too many guys will step into the shower in boiling hot water and let that steaming water hit your face. You need to understand that that water is literally breaking down the top layer of your skin little by little. And while you can't see it, or maybe not even feel it, there's causing these little micro tears or openings on your skin. The longer you're in there, when you step out, those micro tears are now exposed to the environment and any sort of contaminant, which can lead to acne. Number 6, you're not moisturizing. You're walking around with an oily face, mainly because you're not moisturizing. See, your skin needs to be hydrated at all times. When your skin feels itself being dry, the first thing it does is it goes into oil production mode. So that's why you end up with that oily skin that makes you feel nasty throughout the day. If you want to fight against that, use a morning moisturizer. Put a moisturizer in the morning, allow your skin to feel hydrated to neutralize that oil production. Which ultimately rolls us to number 7, you're spending too much time at the beach. Look, it can be anything actually. Beach, outside, at the park, at the pool. If you spend a lot of time outside, shoot, even if you don't, and you work in an office and you're getting all that sunlight, you need to be wearing an SPF. If I'm not wrong, an SPF 30 will fight off against almost 97% of the sun's harmful rays, which means using an SPF 30 is more than enough on a daily basis to protect yourself against the damage from the sun that can cause premature aging. That's it for your boy. See you next time.